Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and let's understand the precedence of operators in Python. So in Python, the lowest precedence is the Boolean OR operator, then the AND, NOT, equal to, all these are at the same level. Then we have the bitwise OR, XOR, AND, the shift operators, addition, subtraction at the same level. Then again the multiplication, division, flow division and modulo at the same level. Unary positive, unary negation, bitwise negation, and the highest precedence is given to the exponential. So let's understand this with examples. So let's open a new file and understand the precedence of operators. So for example, if I write an expression x is equals to 2 plus 3 into 5, what do you think will be the output? So according to me, it can be either 2 plus 3, 5 into 5, 25, or 3 times 5, that is 15, plus 2, that is 70. Let's see what will be the output. Remember, Python always follows the BODMAS, the mathematical precedence that is there. Python doesn't changes that. So it remains intact as it is. So I'll save it as precedence. And if you run it, you would see you get 17. That means multiplication takes the precedence over the plus. If you want to get the output as 25, in that case, then you can use brackets. So I can say open and close round bracket, and now if I save it and execute, you would get, for the first time we get 17, and for the second expression, now we get 25. So my plus and minus are at the same level. So if I have an expression, I say y is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 10 minus 5. So if I calculate, the way I can calculate this is, I can say 2 plus 10, that is 12, minus 5 gives me 7, or else even if I do 2 plus 10 minus 5 is 5, which is equal to 7. So you can see, because plus and minus are at the same level, you can either add first or subtract first. In this case, Python executes the expressions from left to right. So it starts adding 2 and 10, that is 12, and subtracts 5 from 12, so we get 7. So if I print y, anyways you do it, we are going to get the result as 7. Now let's see with the logical operators, it's very important. So now let's understand the OR and AND operator precedence. Suppose I have a result wherein I store a value, say 2 is equals to 1 plus 1, right? I say OR 5 is greater than equal to 5, and if I say x, I have this x which is less than equal to 0. Okay. So if I'll evaluate, the way it will be evaluated is, now let's consider both the scenarios. Say for example, if it goes evaluation left to right. So if it's left to right, 2 equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, or 5 greater than equal to 5. So let me say 2 equal to 2, that is true, or 5 greater than equal to 5, which is true, and x less than equal to 0, which is false, because if you see, the value of x is 25, which is not less than or equal to 0. Now let's see how Python will evaluate and what happens if we change the sequence. Now suppose it does left to right. True or true is true, and false should give you true and false is false if it does left to right. Let's assume that Python takes AND as a precedence. So if AND is a precedence, in that case true or true and false is false, true or false gives you true. So result will either be true or will be false, depending upon, if Python takes AND as precedence, we get the result as true. If Python takes OR as precedence, we get the result as false. Let's see. See, we get true. That means Python evaluates the AND first, true and false is false, and then it joins with the true, so I get the result as true. What about if I do this? So if I put a bracket over here. So now when I have a bracket, brackets always take a precedence. So in that case, this will not be evaluated. We should get the result as false because true or true is true and false gives you false. So see, we get the result as false. So this proves that AND takes the precedence over OR. That's all for this video. See you all in next video. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.